Let's set the stage. If you're just getting started with investing, you want something automated, affordable, easy to use, and built to help you stay consistent. That's where Robo-Advisors come in. Betterment and SoFi Invest both aim to take the heavy lifting out of investing. But they have different strengths, pricing models, features, and paths depending on what kind of investor you are. First up, Metricool. Metricool offers a strong analytics-first approach. You can track multiple platforms, see post performance, evaluate best times to post, even monitor paid ads and competitor data. For creators who want to base their strategy on data, which post pulled in the most link clicks? When did my engagement spike? How did this campaign affect my audience growth? Metricool can be very appealing. The interface is pretty clean for analytics and planning. On the flip side, because it's analytics heavy, it might feel like there is more to learn or dig into. And if your main need is simply scheduling or content recycling, you might not need all that extra depth. Now let's turn to SoFi Invest. SoFi offers a robo-investing option under its broader financial services umbrella. One of its biggest appeals is its very low minimums and relatively low management fees, or in some cases, no separate advisory fee for the core service. It also integrates with other SoFi services, making it appealing if you already bank or borrow there. The trade-off. Some of the advanced features like tax loss harvesting or very broad investment strategy diversity may not be quite as deep as the more dedicated robo-advisors. So, if your goal is to start investing simply with minimal cost, SoFi Invest can be very appealing. Both platforms are excellent and each caters to slightly different kinds of new investors. For pure simplicity, low cost, and starter-friendly investing, go with SoFi Invest. For a more robust robo-advisor with deeper investing tools and a longer-term horizon built in, Betterment stands out. Ultimately, the best tool is the one you'll actually use, contribute to regularly, and stick with over time.